Good morning! Vlogmas day 2. Okay, we're about to show B the tree.
Ooh. What is this?
Look at her.
Look. Oh. Look at that. It's your first Christmas tree. Let's see where he makes his marmalade. Otherwise known as marmalade. I doubt if Santa makes his own marmalade, said Mrs. Brown nervously, as Paddington led the way onto the escalator.
I mean, he shouldn't really be in here because it's a pile of Stephen Nice dirty clothes. But oh, Hobbsy looks so cute. Oh. You enjoying your lunch, baby? Hobbles, hello. And I've just put my Christmas wallpaper on. I spent far too long faffing about getting that, but anyway, it's so cute. And I'm editing Vlogmas. Well, someone's awake. Hello, little baby. Where are you, darling? I can't find the light switch. There's a little baby. What are you doing all the way up there? You sleep there. What are you doing, little gorgeous? Ooh, hello. Now, do you think half an hour is a proper nap? Do you? What are you doing up there, rabbit? I've left you in here for a little bit because I want you to know that half an hour is not a proper nap. No, 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 no. Okay, little rabbit. Are you ready to get up and play? Yay! What were you saying, darling? We need to clear your pen and make some room for you. I think I've used your pen as a toy dumping ground and I need to clean it up. Yeah. And we need to get out. Oh. Jingle bells. Jingle.
Jing, jingle, jing, jing, jing. Love to hear the sleigh bell jingle. Jing, jingle, jing, jing, jing. How it sets your heart a tingle. Jing, jingle, jing, jing, jing. Love to hear our laughter mingle.
Hey, Stephen.
Hello.
You've been asleep on the sofa
Definitely
all
didn't fall asleep on
evening.
the couch.
And I've just fed Bee for her dream feed. And what's in here?
Number 2.
Oh, don't drop number 2.
Do you see the dad skills of the catching?
Very good.
The first is for A, the second for B. So the third is hiding where you can see. Amongst important papers and tidying tucked away.
Tidily. Sorry, I did that wrong.
And tidily tucked away is a little gift for you and a day.
No, for what?
Oh,
A little gift for you
today. It looks like you're in plus a day. Today.
Yeah, I mean, I just had to find something to write.
Amongst important papers. Does that basically mean the junk on our desk?
I nearly said bills, but I didn't want to remind you.
Okay, so it's not the instruction manual for the mini bug.
No.
Amongst important.
And what else does it say?
Yes, that's another clue. And tidying tucked away.
Tidily tucked.
Tidily tucked away.
I rewrote.
Right, I'm just
Look,
holding up
look,
to the camera
look.
for evidence.
It won't focus because it doesn't believe. Oh,
Yes,
wait, hold,
scruffy
hold,
writing.
hold, and tidily. So my writing is so bad.
It's difficult to spot
Oh,
something.
your head gets in the way of where I'm showing them.
Oh,
Oh,
here.
no.
Oh no, that's too bad. Oh, Operation Alphabet.
Oh,
How did you fit that in?
well, it's tidily tucked away.
Oh, the Ministry of Letters, Operation Alphabet. This looks awesome, awesome.
It's definitely something I hadn't seen in your library, and I know you
wow,
love
darling.
alphabet books.
We have a whole alphabet book section in the library.
Exactly.
This is amazing. Look at this.
It's
They're
cool,
great
isn't it? I think they're
illustrations.
really good illustrations. I thought you'd like it.
Oh, thank you so much, baby.
That's
I can't wait
okay.
to read this with B.
Yeah. A,
With
B.
A, B, C.
Okay, right. Battery's running low, so
Well, in which case, there we go.
yay.
Thank you. Love you.
Love you too.
What's Mum got? Oh, what's this?
Day two. Oh, I'll see. What is in day two? Another thing that I have to open.
Look
Ooh,
at this,
they look
Hobbs.
great. Okay, so you can have one of these, and then I'll save them for tomorrow because there's 3. But we all know that your tummy cannot handle all these treats.
My dad's tummy today.
Okay, sweetheart. Are you ready? Oh, they smell nice actually. I'm not used to dog treats smelling nice. Shake, good boy. Good boy. Yes. Alright guys, we're off to bed and we will see you for Vlogmas Day 3.